I don't want you to do this, but 3, 2, 1, go!
Get in the car, Kenneth, before they get you.
The trees look amazing.
Thank you.
So green.
I agree.
With what? Love
And care.
Do you guys believe this?
No.
In defense against that?
Hey, me more. There it is. Parker Lake.
Come here, boy. Let me see that John Wick stick.
Great.
Let's start unpacking. John's gonna be tenting right there.
Tenting right here.
Push it in. Once.
Hammer.
Ouch.
Big tent.
It's like a little tiny window.
Someone farts at night, you can't smell it.
Yeah, we can open up the window and let it go.
It's the fart ventilation.
Alright, so now we're gonna go inside. As you can see, I can completely stand up in this thing.
Oh my god, yeah.
We have now just started setting everything up. I brought myself some sea.
Take this,
Oh,
and that,
Yeah.
okay.
and that.
And hopefully, we don't freeze to death out here.
This is my tent. It actually has nothing. Because how many bats?
How many bats, Kenneth?
0. But you see, not even a half bat. I'm actually not going to be able to fit in here.
What do you mean?
Oh, actually, you know, I think I do fit in here. Oh, dude, no, never mind. I don't.
Cody setting out his bed to look pretty and perfect.
Hi, guys.
Red, red, red.
And then Larsa.
Cody, Larcel, Nathan squished in the middle, myself, and Kenneth.
All right,
Is it, wait, yo, is it dinner time?
I don't know.
It's dinner time.
I don't know what we're doing.
These are our options. Elbow macaroni and tomato sauce.
What is elbow macaroni and tomato sauce?
It's macaroni with tomato sauce. What else is there that's vegan?
Are you
I'm
really-
a vegetarian. I eat meat sometimes.
Chili and macaroni.
That one's mine.
Chili and macaroni? No way. That
Macaroni
sounds
and
good.
beef and sauce.
Yeah.
Oh. Beef, you're a vegetarian.
No, I'm not today.
Water to cook these meals. I believe in woodland fairies.
What?
Okay.
If you make
two-piece
two-piece trash, you gotta say you believe in woodland fairies. That's how it works.
Oh,
We got cheese,
Chocolate chip cookies.
lemon.
lucky. What is
oatmeal
chili with
cookie.
beans?
Look what it says. U.S. government property.
We're gonna get Wesley mad.
Mm-hmm.
It's not. Oh. Hey, spit that out. Dinner before your main meal. That does look really.
Oh my
good,
god,
though.
dude, it's so good, yeah.
That looks so good.
Oh my god.
Holy good. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, you usually eating now when your main meal?
No, don't look at me. I believe in woodland fairies. And then you put the main meal inside.
Oh, I see.
Only put water till it fills up those bottom lines. Do not overfill.
Dude, that's shizzle though.
Dude, it's
my
it's
gosh.
already heating up.
What?
That's cool.
Not a good vegetarian.
We know. Oh,
Tomorrow, we have a goal. Don't get wet. Explore some rocks.
It's only a
Jump in the
90%
lake.
chance of rain tomorrow, so it's-
90% is not even that high. It's fine.
90% basically means how much you're facing.
So we're gonna get rained on. Mother Nature said.
We'll be fine. It'll be a great day tomorrow.
You see, it's morning. And everyone else already woke up and didn't wake me up. So, time for me to start packing. And Wesley's shirt. Bam! Alright, we're going to look for some wood.
For a fire. It's cold. Stuff like this.
Oh, that's a scratch.
The world is not in your books and maps. It is not there. Today we're playing board games, as you can see, and then we're gonna go outside and have a great day. Let's go.
Here's the overlook of the ocean. No, lake, I meant. Number Dutchland, Germany 10.
Deutschland.
It's Larcel.
So,
Cameraman deserves some recognition, I suppose. Okay, yeah, your recognition time is done. Take this back.
you know, it's funny how Wesley said, we're gonna jump scare Cody when he's wearing a white shirt.
Across the hall and
as you can see, the idiot is holding.
I have to sneeze.
Oh
that water. Ah, the plant.
man, it is beautiful.
Super cool. This is where we're gonna be eating lunch today.
M&M's, peanut butter, M&M, and the sausage. He's not gonna think twice about what's in that lake.
No,
How you
this
doing?
actually looks good. You're closed.
Oh hey, how's it going?
Yep.
It's gonna be one of those things where like they record somebody falling.
Go. Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
Why shouldn't I jump into the lake?
You're gonna kill yourself because how are you gonna jump? Look at it.
It's shallow, bro.
Yeah, it's shallow. And you don't have clothes.
Yeah, you don't have extra clothes. You're gonna be freezing.
My primary concern is not the safety, it's you.
We don't want you to do this, but 3, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
Oh my gosh!
Holy crap, that's close!
Alright.
They've wandered off without me. I wonder how far they'll get before they realize I'm not there. You leave something?
Yeah, my water.
New challenger!
That is where we were.
Yeah, this used to be underwater, guys. So. We're done. Everything's gone, and we are about to drive off. So, how was your take on it?
Take on what?
The camping trip. Nothing. Moving on.
Good.
Also useless.
Mine was good. We made a lot of good
God
jokes.
dang it!
Why are you